guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all these new products that I recently ordered from ColourPop. They came in this huge box today. And so yeah, I got a ton of different eyeshadow palettes. I got some bronzer, some blush, a brush, and a lipstick. And I think that's it. But if you guys want to see more about some ColourPop products, keep on watching. Okay, so a little disclaimer for this video. I tried filming it earlier and my camera died and I just kept rambling on and on and on, not even knowing that the camera had died. And then I got up once I was done filming and I was like, the camera died. So some of these products have been swatched, or when I show them to you it'll look like they have been swatched. That's because they have been swatched about 15 minutes ago when I was trying to film this video. Alright, so I got this huge box with all my stuff in it. It came this morning. It was really excellently packaged. A lot of the products came in this bubble wrap. It was just like this little bag, and there was also a bunch of paper in there just to ensure that my products weren't going to come cracked. So I really appreciated that, you know, ColourPop does that when they send out their products to their customers. I got 10 items on the ColourPop website, and my order was about $53. Now, I know that when I was purchasing these products, ColourPop was having a promotion, so everything was on sale that I bought. Regardless of the sale, ColourPop is a really affordable makeup company. So if you're someone like me who wants to slay throughout the day, but you don't want to break the bank, I would definitely recommend checking out ColourPop's website. Another cool promotion that ColourPop was doing when I went to purchase my products is if you spent $50 or more, they sent a free eyeshadow palette with your purchase. So I really appreciated that. I love getting free stuff. I'm sure we all do. So that's that. And then another thing they sent me was this cool little card. And it just says, "What'll I do without you? XOXO ColourPop." Being a first-time ColourPop purchaser, I really felt like, I don't know, felt special when I opened my ColourPop box. So let's get right on to some of the products that I got. So one thing that I will say that I noticed when I was taking out these products out of the box, ColourPop's packaging is freaking amazing. Like, I am not kidding you. It literally feels like I am a kid in a candy store and I'm picking out my favorite candy and just holding it in my hands. Like, come on, look at this. This says like sparkly gold with like some rose gold on it. I mean, granted, it is rose quartz crystal priming spray, but come on, look at how beautiful this packaging is. And it's so simple, it's so elegant. I just love it. So this is the first product I'm going to be showing you guys. It is a priming spray. I've only ever tried like priming lotions. I'm not really sure what they would be considered, but I have really, really dry skin, so I'm thinking maybe if I try a priming spray, I kind of won't get as dry of an effect. Shake me up gently, hold it an arm length away, spray your beautiful face, and spray away. I'm loving this. I'm living for it right now. It smells so good. Be on the lookout, guys. I'm probably going to be doing like a full face first impressions of ColourPop makeup. So, like I said, I filmed this video previously, but I don't have any of the footage. So this little brush did come in a little package. It was just like a clear plastic thing, but I took it out and I can't get it back in. So this is the ColourPop E1 blending brush. It just looks like this. If you guys have seen a couple of my other videos, you'll know that I pretty much only have 5 brushes and I use them over and over again. So I was like, what the hey, why not try out ColourPop's brushes as well? Okay, so the next thing I got was lipstick. I don't own too many lipsticks because I personally don't really wear them that much, and even when I do, I usually go for like a brown or a nude or a dark pink. I feel like when I wear red, I'm just like on the spot and everyone's looking at my red lips. So I'm not really a fan of red. So I went for this. This is the ColourPop Lippy Sticks in the shade Lumineer. It's a matte lipstick. And again, here's the packaging, guys. It is beautiful. It is a mint green box with white dots on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Just like the brush, it comes out just white. You get 0.035 ounces in this, so I feel like that's kind of a lot. Ooh, I'm loving this color. It's like a mauve. This is literally my favorite color. This is like the color of my bedspread, but a little bit darker. I feel like this is just gonna look beautiful on the lips. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my gosh, this formula is so creamy. Wow, I feel like it's going to be really comfortable on the lips. It feels really comfortable on the skin. All right, the next thing I have for you guys that I decided to go ahead and buy is the Pressed Powder Cheek Blush, and this is in the shade Weirdo. And it comes in this cute little pink envelope. It's really cool because ColourPop has two options for you. You can either buy the compact and spend a little bit more money, or if you want to be like me and save some money, you can go ahead and just buy the pan. So I just bought the pan. I'm not sure if the packaging is the same for the compact, but this is it for the pan. Pull it out and it's in this little plasticky cover thing. And yeah, here is the pan blush. It looks like this, kind of similar to that lipstick I just showed you guys, very mauvey, navy, dark pink. So let's see. Oh my gosh, guys, this formula is so buttery. I'm loving it. Not like chalky at all as far as I'm concerned. The formula feels really compact. Let's do a little swatch test for you. Alright, so kind of on the more neutral side. Obviously you're not going to be able to tell until you actually apply it, but I'm really loving this color. Definitely not as dramatic. If I'm applying blush, I want it to be a little bit more subtle, so I'm super excited to use this. Alright, sticking with the pan theme, I got a pressed powder face. That's what it's called, pressed powder face. I'm doing this collection. But I got their bronzer, and this is in the shade Afternoon Delight. Just like with the blush, it just comes in this little plastic package. And again, just like the blush, it had the option to buy the compact if you guys don't want to just buy the pan. But opening it up, pretty much the same as the blush. Here is this color. Just like a nice bronzy bronze. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Ooh, yeah. Okay, it feels exactly like the blush. Really buttery. I'm loving that. Super pigmented. That's beautiful. Kind of on the more orangey side if you would ask me, but I personally like my bronzers to be a little bit more orangey. Alright, so moving on, I've got 3 more eyeshadow palettes for you guys. The first eyeshadow palette we're going to be looking at is the Double Entendre? Not really sure how you pronounce it, but again, like I said, I did this video earlier and all my footage is gone, so I did open it previously. But the packaging is so pretty, and on the back it's got all of the names of the shadows, so I think that's super helpful that ColourPop did that. And then first impressions, just opening this bad boy up. Ooh, girl! I'm loving this. ColourPop, you get an A+ for packaging. This is so pretty. It is like a reflective rose gold with like ColourPop on it, and then all these sprinkles all around it. And then once again, it's got the names of the shadows on the back. And then it's kind of like this palette is like magnetic. So when you close it, I don't know if you can see that, it just like automatically closes, and that's super helpful, I feel like. Wow, opening this up. This is so beautiful. Once again, the packaging is amazing. If you guys have been watching my other videos, you know that I love doing a super bronzed, super warm toned brown eyeshadow look because of my blue eyes. I feel like it complements them really well. So when I saw this palette on their website, I was like, I need to buy it. I need to buy it. This is what I wear all the time. So here are all the colors in the palette. Like I said, really warm toned, really bronzy, and I'm gonna do a couple swatches of these. Ooh, yes, definitely buttery. Feels super easy to blend out. So pigmented. Dang, girl, dang, ColourPop. This is in the shade Naked. Look at that. Dang, ColourPop. That is so beautiful. Okay, so I'm like a big fan of the Urban Decay palettes, and I almost feel like this is going to be way better than the Urban Decay palettes, and those are like $60, and I'm pretty sure this palette was like 12 bucks. This is in the color Hard. So again, feels exactly the same as the bronzer and the blush, super buttery. Yes, ColourPop, again, super pigmented. I'm loving these colors together. Wow, this is amazing. So yeah, stay tuned for an eyeshadow look with this, because I bet I will definitely be using this every single day of my life because this is amazing. Another thing that I do want to mention to you guys is there are 8 matte shades in here. 8. There are 8 matte shades. So if you don't like wearing shimmers, literally, this is the palette you, because while there are 8 matte shades, there's 4 shimmery shades. So I love that ColourPop is trying to be really versatile. There's a ton of transition shades, a couple like brow bone highlighting shades, and just overall really cohesive, really good palette. So I'm super excited to try this. Moving on to the next palette I bought. This is called the Element of Surprise. Once again, this packaging is so beautiful. Hats off to you, ColourPop. I'm loving it. And just like the previous one, it has all of the names of the shadows on the back. I did purchase these about a week ago. The shipping was pretty fast, especially around the holiday season. It came in a week or less. But as far as I can remember, this palette had a couple really bright colors like pinks and purples and stuff. And I don't really have that in my makeup collection, so I'm super excited to look at these. And just to pull it out of the box for you guys, this is what it looks like. Exact same as the packaging. Again, you have all the names on the back. Dang, ColourPop! I love this. Okay, this palette has a couple more shimmer shades than the other one did. I think the other one only had 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So definitely not as many transition shades, but just to give you guys an idea of the colors that are in this. Again, kind of warm toned, but then we've got like that pink in here. We've got a purple. We've got a brown with purple and pink shimmers in it. Let's give a couple swatches here. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so in the shimmery ones, you can definitely feel the glitter in it. This is the shade Feels. Wow, ColourPop, look at how beautiful that is. Okay, and then I'm gonna test out one of the matte shades. So this is in the shade Details. Super buttery, just like how the other one was. Oh my gosh, I'm literally living for these shadows, right? This palette is just beautiful. Like, I literally cannot wait to do a look with this. It's great because in all these palettes, they give you so many different options of colors. And I think, again, this palette was literally like 12 bucks. You cannot beat that price. Alright guys, so moving on to the final thing that I received in this package. This was part of the promotion that ColourPop was doing. If you spent more than $50 at their online shop, you got a free shadow palette. It's called the Golden State of Mind. Here, I'll just show you guys the packaging. Once again, it has like all the shades on the back, but it is completely a shimmer palette. So everything in here is gonna be shimmers. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, really similar to the packaging. And once again, you've got like all of the shades on the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch some of these for you guys. So I'm gonna be going in with Sparkler. It's kind of like a shimmery red shade with like some gold and orange sparkles in there. You definitely can feel the sparkles in it when I'm like rubbing my finger in it. This is so pretty. Look at that. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited about these colors because I've literally only ever used pretty much Urban Decay and Too Faced, and so the fact that I have 3 new eyeshadow palettes to play with is just like, it's Christmas morning. It's basically Christmas morning. I'm so excited. The next one I'm going to try out is Can't Stop, and it looks like it's kind of a beige with blue and white shimmers in it. Ooh, oh my god! This is like a sparkly silver. Oh my god. That's literally as bright as tinfoil. That looks so good. Obviously, you're not gonna really know what it's gonna look like until you put it on the eye. This palette is swatching really well. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Those are all the products that I got from ColourPop in my little ColourPop haul for you guys today. I do want to mention that I did purchase all of these products. This isn't like a sponsored video or anything. I've just never used ColourPop and I really wanted to give a bunch of their products a try. I know that their under eye concealer is like being raved about right now, that people are really liking it. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and purchase that and then try to do like a full face first impressions of these ColourPop products later on for you guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video and hanging out with me for a little bit. If you guys liked this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I do drop a bunch of videos throughout the week, every week, so come hang out with me. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.